Join us on this boat tour to Witches Cove. Buy your combined ticket for a better offer. When you see this building, you know that you're at the correct parking lot. Right before you jump on the boat, take this picture and buy it. It's memories for a lifetime. Once you get on the boat, you will learn so much history of the Upper Dells. Our guide was so educational and funny. Let's listen in.
Now Leroy, he did vow to never lose a lumber raft or a life, and he did just that. But unfortunately, when the railroad came to town, he did lose his job, as it did provide for a much easier and safer way to transport all this lumber across the country. So, loving the river here and not wanting to leave the area, Leroy created the very first Dells boat tour. And in exchange, he would give you 2 oars, and you would row yourself and him up and down the river, sometimes for 8 hours at a time, while Leroy just sat at the back of the boat telling you guys stories about the river and the area as he went along. Well, we do like to think that our tours are just a little bit more accommodating for you guys these days. We did used to have a 3rd shore landing on our trips out here today at Coldwater Canyon, but unfortunately that did make them about 3 hours long. And well, for some reason, nobody really wanted to go on a 3-hour tour. So we did stop going back in there. But our ghost boat does make a stop over here at Coldwater Canyon every single night. And you guys can see the entrance into the canyon over there, again on my right side. Well, just up past that entrance into Coldwater Canyon, you'll notice there's a nice flat slab of rock laying up against the sandstone. Well, this is the giant shield. The giant shield acts as a natural high water marker out here for us. In 1994 and in 2010, the water level on the river was at the top of this giant shield. But in 1938, it was actually 4 feet above the top of that giant shield back there. And that was the highest recorded water level out here along the river.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Sí.
My name is Sophie.
Mira, ya tiene que sí, bueno. Está cargando. Sí, pues, ¿cómo está? Pero nomás dicen cuántos nuevos videos vamos a sacar. ¿Cuánto es 35 por 100? ¿Cuánto es 35 por 1500?
Qué chistoso. terciopelo ese, mira.
Porque me cuesta mucho trabajo.
Oh my God. Uy, se está viendo. No. Yay, we did it. We had a fantastic time on this boat tour with both stops. I hope that you enjoyed this as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Let us know where you would like us to travel next.